Hello guys, हम खेलना है इसको रन में लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, चैनल के बाद शुरू वीडियो।
Then show me your class journal. What's that? An F? Teacher's note? Misbehaved in class? Was goofing off? And yet you want to play outside? You should be ashamed! Go study! No going out for you! He's grounded today! And watch out! If I see you slacking around, I'll rough you up real good!
That's not fair. Now I have to sit and do homework because of that teacher. him?
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to get back. I need to hide somewhere quickly.
Stop. Who opens the door? Well, you're getting the belt now. Hey, you little brat. Where did you go? Come here! Gotcha! How many times do I have to repeat?
हम खेलते वो कौन सा गेम स्क्रू बॉय गेम शुरू है आप देख सकते हैं
No way! Me doing homework! Me and studying just don't go together! If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me.
Come here! Gotcha! 220 squats quickly! 1, 2, 3,
मार तेरे मुर्गे में बस है